Alright everybody, it's Friday, March 16th, 2012. It's about 5:50 in the morning here, Arizona time. What I wanted to do is I just entered a trade, and it happened so fast I've already cut half my profits and I'm letting it run. This is a 5-minute chart. This is kind of the system based on news. As you can see, we had some US data news come out right here, and obviously the market shot up like a rocket. I got in right here at this red line. I didn't even, the candle was about 30 seconds or 20 seconds away from closing, so I knew it was going to close green. You can see my trailing stop has been activated. I put a 21 pip trailing stop on there. My target was 21 pips. I hit that up here, and so what I did was I sold half my position, and I put a trailing stop on there. But you can see, we knew something was happening. We had this, we had this little guy, so I didn't get in. Again, this is a 5 minute, so I don't really use the same exact strategies. This is just trading on news, just to kind of see what happened. But I'm still in this right now. Obviously, you just saw my trailing stop get activated, so I will follow up on this when it, see what happened. We'll check in back later. Alright, just wanted to give an update. Still in this trade. Surprisingly, I thought we would have corrected by now, but it looks like, if you can see the candles, we are starting to correct a little bit. Could be here for a while. You can see my trailing stop, again, already activated, and I am probably like 4 or 5 pips in profit. Yeah, like 4. So no matter what, this trade will be a winner, so that's good. I think real quick, since it just turned 6, do a little quick scanning, and let's check these markets and see what we got. So you can see the euro on the 1 hour could be setting up for a potential long. Luckily I'm already in that one. All these currency pairs too, they just hammered when that news came out. Real quick too, here's what I was talking about. For all that don't know, here's the news that I use here. You can see at 5:30 we had some Canada stuff, but the dollar, PPI, or CPI, Consumer Price Index, usually, and it was red, and at first I was like, it took me a second to realize why everything was crappy, but because it's negative. So when the percentage is higher than that, it's closer to it's red, and they forecasted it at 0.2%. It came in at 0.1%. You can see that it's red. So if you click on this little guy here, it kind of tells you, what it is. You can see normally the forecast is, they're normally right on target. This time, it's the changes in the price of goods, services. I'm not really sure why this is red, because it says if the actual is less than the forecast, that's good for the currency. So a 0.0 or a 0.1% change is better than a 0.2%. My personal opinion. I don't understand why it's red. But the markets obviously reacted to it, and everything with the dollar just got hammered. What I wanted to do, I probably should have just got in. I was going to do a bunch of trades. When I saw the euro going and I saw that, looks like there's our stop getting close here. Yeah, looks like we're getting close. We're coming back down. First red candle. See that? So this could be our correction candle. We'll see what happens if it goes down. My stop's at 13 and we're at 19, so we're getting pretty close. If it hits 15, we're probably going to get stopped out. So I'll just hold for a second, and we'll see if we'll see what happens here. Um, but let's do some scanning and just see where we're at. So I mean, all these pairs just kind of took off. You can see our trade from yesterday that I put on, still pretty good. The pound went up, shot up too. Really nice on this news report. Again, I'm gonna have to find out. I don't understand why it's having such difficult. I mean, that forecast to me actually seemed good. So I don't know what the deal with that is. 131.22. Okay, so there's really not a whole lot of good setups. These could be turned into good ones. The only thing that concerns me is these candles are all because of news. So I want to wait a little bit. I'll do another update at 8 o'clock. I'm sorry, at 7, and we'll see what the candles look like then. But so far, still in this one, it's getting interesting, to say the least. I'm just kind of holding this one. See, maybe I'll try and pause it and come back. Oh, we might get taken out here. 31.18, and I'm at 31.13. So if it gets down, we're getting close here. I'd like to see this correction candle kind of stay right there. This could be the pullback, and then back up. I'm half tempted to get rid of my stop, move my stop loss back down to my break even, just because I have a feeling this thing's going to pull back a little bit further, but then it's going to continue to go up. So I don't know. I already sold half my position based upon my rules of trading news. So it's getting real close, man. 5 pips, 4. Now we're only 4 away. Oh, I think we're going to get taken out here. Just got to let it run. But this is how you test systems. You see if trailing stops are a good idea. Ooh, it's going to hit it. Oh, there it comes. Oh, man. Did you see that? Wow, I missed it by a pip. Like half a pip, I think. I thought I should have gotten taken out on that. That's crazy. Wow. Sometimes, I'm telling you, half a pip just makes all the difference in the world. So I'm going to pause it for now, and then we'll come back and see. Okay, we just got taken out. 31.13 was our stop loss, and it's at 31.12 now. So here's that correction, but not bad. We got I knocked in $2 there and $10 there. So again, I'm trading a small account size, only $600. So again, to me, it's about the pips. So for $10, I got 20 pips on the first one, and then for $3 I got 6 pips, so 26 pips total for one trade. Not bad. So that's pretty much it. I will probably make another video when it's time if we see any good setups for the day. Alright, take care.